Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you my nightly routine that I normally do when I'm out of town on a trip. Okay, so I have been listening to Maya, her latest album. If you guys like Maya, then that is what I was listening to at the beginning. I'll put in the description box what's the name of that album, because I forgot. I just know it's the latest album. Okay, but anyway, you just saw me put my hair up in a bow. Now I'm going to go ahead and wash my face. I usually have a specific face wash that I use. I like to use the Neutrogena little orange pump acne wash, whatever. I like to use that, but I didn't have it on this trip. I usually don't even carry it with me, so I usually use whatever they have, whatever face soap they have, and it works for me. Then I do take my Garnier Skin Active, and this is a makeup remover that I just rub on my face, because even after washing my face, I do need a little bit extra to take the excess makeup off, so I just rub this on my face. Now it does say that you don't have to wash it off. It's kind of like a leave-in conditioner, a leave-in makeup remover, but I don't do that. I usually just put it on my face right before I get in the shower, and then I end up washing my face again while I'm in the shower. Now I'm about to hop in the shower and get squeaky clean. This little back patch, I had this on my back. I had two on my back because my back was hurting so bad. Usually with my job, if I sit in those chairs, those seats too long, my back starts to hurt. Look at me sinking. So that's what that patch was. It was just one of those little icy hot patches. Okay, after my shower, I usually use this charcoal toothpaste that I got from the UK, and I don't know where they sell it at in the US because I got it from London, but that's what I've been using to whiten my teeth, and I think that it's working. Then I just moisturize my face, because usually after I wash my face with any face soap, it dries out my skin. So I usually just use cocoa butter to moisturize my face. After that, I usually just protect my ends of my hair, so I just put it back in a ponytail, but this time just like a messy bun, and make sure that my ends are protected, so that whatever pillow I'm laying on, it doesn't break my ends off, because I usually don't wear a satin cap when my hair is natural. Then I go ahead and get dressed, and I got that little set from Burlington. Then I'm using this, my new favorite perfume that I got from London as well. It was only $2, and it's a really light smell, so I like to put it on before I go to sleep. Then I like to make some tea. I usually just pick whatever tea they have in the hotel. If I'm home, then I'm just playing. I don't use tea. I don't drink tea. I usually just pour some wine just to make it. That's like tea to me. It just makes me sleepy. So I usually just pour some some wine, and that makes me sleepy. Then after I get dressed, I just start turning off all the lights in the room, and then except for the light over my desk, I have been doing this little manifestation lately, and I usually just write down some affirmations or some positive statements and repeat them to myself. and I find that it soothes me. I try to do it in the morning too, but sometimes I forget. So at night, I just take the pen and pad, write the statements down, and then just close my eyes and believe that they will be true, because they will. Then I plug up my phone and then just surf the web for probably like 30 minutes just on Instagram or Facebook. Not really Facebook, but maybe YouTube. I might catch up on some YouTube videos and just doing stuff on the web, maybe researching, Googling some stuff or whatever. That's what I usually do for maybe like 30 to 45 minutes until I get sleepy. So after that, I pretty much just turn on my TV for another 30 minutes and turn that off, and then it's night time. So yeah, that's my nighttime routine. I thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel.